Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Max 3, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications, extend the list, and for me, the toggle for screen recording is located at the third page. So hopefully you can find yours in the same exact location. But once you locate it, I can just simply tap on it. This will give you a couple options right here. So option for recording audio, you can have your microphone, device audio, or both. And you do need to toggle this on if you want to record some kind of audio. If you don't, keep it off, which is what I will be doing. And second option right here is show touches on screen. So this will record a semi-transparent gray dot on a screen wherever you have pressed your finger to the display, just to kind of signify what you were doing. Now for some kind of like game recordings, gameplay, I probably wouldn't recommend this. It might be a little bit distracting, but for just informative videos like I will be doing, it might be useful. So there we go. I'm gonna select start. This will start a countdown, at which point it's gonna now start recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. If you open some kind of apps, obviously they will be recorded as well. And once you're done with your screen recording, pull down your notifications, simply tap right here, tap to stop, and it will now get saved to your Photos application. So I will quickly open that up, just so I can show you the recording. So as you can see, it's already recording. So anyway, this is how you can record your screen on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.